Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. My name is David A. Kwa and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my weekly Sunday vlog for June 3rd, 2018. That's right, we're in June now. This is my weekly Sunday vlog where we talk about what's been going on for the past week, what I'm planning to do for the upcoming week concerning life and YouTube and stuff like that. I want to give a shout out to Justin El Sheik. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. He asked me a question last week. Could you please review food while doing your Q&A for the next vlog? So I decided to do Michelin's macaroni and cheese frozen dinners that you can get at Walmart for like 80 cents, right? Let's see, what are the instructions? Before cooking, lift the corner of the lid, 2 minutes, stir another 2 minutes, so 4 minutes in all. So I'm not gonna stop and stir, I'm just gonna make it 4 straight minutes. There you go. All right. So let's talk about everything that's been going on in the past week. Let's see, Memorial Day last week. I went to Bayshore Park in Galveston County, Texas. All right, we had a church picnic there. A lot of good food, people there. My dad like sang karaoke and stuff like that, and we saw some of my parents' church friends, took a lot of pictures. It was like right by the ocean, by the way, but you don't want to go in that ocean. That water was dirty. It looked dirty, man. But yeah. We had a good time at that picnic. I saw one movie this past week. I finally saw Pirates of the Caribbean, Dead Men Tell No Tales. I love the special effects. There's a lot of special effects, a lot of green screen and stuff like that in the movie. Javier Bardem's character was like completely CGI. Very interesting. Barbosa has there are some pretty new characters and stuff like that. Orlando Bloom, Keira Knightley actually returned in this movie also, which was cool. If you end the franchise with this one, I'd be happy. You know, it had a really good ending and stuff like that, and Johnny Depp was hilarious as usual. You know, he was like all slapstick comedy and all that. You know, pretty good movie. I really enjoyed it. Okay, so if you haven't seen it, definitely check it out. All right. Not much to complain. I'm actually a huge fan of the Pirates series. If you haven't checked out my videos of my Pirates collection, do check it out. I have like action figures, hats, t-shirts, all sorts of stuff related to Pirates of the Caribbean. Okay. So we're gonna eat this macaroni and cheese in like 2 minutes. I said we just jump straight to Q&A. I don't know what else to talk about, man. There's not much to talk about. I mean, it's a summer. School's out, I'm just working, you know. Oh, I played Overwatch. Overwatch had a free weekend, so I played that with my friends. Fortnite, been playing that too. Paladins, we had like an amazing session of Paladins the other day. We're like unstoppable, winning every single match and stuff like that. Check, I uploaded a video about it too. It's like the best matches ever or something like that. So check that video out. I'm also doing a DVD collection video. I've already recorded a few already. I've already uploaded a Disney one. I did one on superhero movies and horror movies. That'll be uploaded in the future, okay? So I'll probably do polls and stuff like that in the upcoming week. If you guys want to see a particular video be uploaded, you just gotta vote for it, all right? Majority wins. John Menching asks, my question for you, David, have you ever seen the Hodge twins live stand-up shows, and if not, are you interested? They were actually here in Houston, Texas, like a couple months ago. They were here, like, I don't know when it was, but they were here in Houston, but it was like a Tuesday, and it was like their show was on like 7 o'clock, which is, I haven't been out of work yet. And it was like in upper Houston, it was like in northern Houston, so there was no way I was gonna make it, man. But they were here in Houston, I wanted to go see them. They've been doing all sorts of live shows all throughout the country, all throughout the world actually. And I've been wanting to see them, you know, live, but I missed my opportunity just because that day I was going to work. It was a school night, so you know, me being a teacher, I had to like prepare for the next day and stuff like that. And plus, their show was on at a time when I was like still working, so I couldn't go. Okay. John Litt. Hey David, have you seen the new Star Wars movie? I think he's talking about Solo, a Star Wars movie. No, I haven't not seen it yet. I hear it didn't do very well on Memorial Day. Maybe because everyone was Maybe because everyone was, out doing barbecues or picnics and stuff like that, during that time. But I've not seen Solo yet. I do plan on seeing it. I've actually spoiled a lot because I've been watching other people's like reviews and stuff like that, so I know what happens in the movie. Okay. Ace Lure. Hey David, for the Q&A, which do you prefer, first-person shooters or third-person shooters? Let's think about all the movies, all the games I've been playing online, right? What games do I enjoy? Think about it. I like playing Resident Evil, Metal Gear, Tomb Raider, Hitman, Assassin's Creed. They're all third-person games, right? I play more third-person games. I enjoy third-person games more, but I play the Battlefields, Call of Duty, Grand Theft Auto. Wait, Grand Theft Auto is the third person. Overwatch, stuff like that. I play a lot of first-person games too. The Halos, but I enjoy more of the Gears of Wars, the Resident Evils, like the third-person games, Like when I play Grand Theft Auto, I will probably play, like Grand Theft Auto 5, they have you can actually switch back and forth between first and third person, right? I will probably play the third-person mode more than first-person, just because I'm more of a third-person gamer type of guy, right? So here, let's eat this. Here we go. Okay, let me open this up for you guys. You gotta mix it up. For 80 cents, this is a pretty decent amount of food. There you go. I don't know if you can see the steam coming out of there. Okay. Say my prayers. And let's eat some. Let's try some of this. Well, I've eaten this before, to be honest with you. It's kind of bland. Not a lot of flavor in it. Put some peppers in there. Okay. Mix it up. Maybe some more peppers. And now it shouldn't taste so bland. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Hey David, what do you think about Indian food? Love from India. Oh my gosh, I really enjoy Indian food. Back in Kansas, I've eaten like Indian Palace up in Lawrence, Aladdin's Cafe. In Wichita, they have several Indian, there was a buffet, an Indian buffet that I went to on a regular basis. Yeah, I enjoy Indian food, man. The curry, the chicken, the rice. Can't get enough of it, man. My parents make it too. My parents make their own versions of chicken curry, a lot of their rice related, there's also naan bread, stuff like that, That's from Explained by Kick. That's who asked that question. Scardog98, do you plan on getting a 4K TV? No. I don't even have a lot of 4K. Do I have any? I don't think I have a single 4K Blu-ray. So there's really no, I know the Xbox One S can play, but, I don't have intentions right now to get a 4K TV. Okay. Atlanta Hawks. Hey David, will you make an updated Nintendo 3DS collection? Yeah, I see myself making one in the near future. Since my last 3DS collection video, I bought 3 games for the 3DS. I enjoy the 3DS, man. My cousin likes it too. I brought it with me to New Jersey a couple weeks ago. And we played a lot of games on it. We downloaded demos and such. We played Detective Pikachu and the Kirby Battle Royale game and stuff. It was fun. Hello, Joseph, if you're watching. Okay. I guess, was that 5 questions? I think I've answered 5 questions. Kevin Boston, I'm just gonna scroll through here and see what else is here. Kevin Boston, nice video, David. Here's a question. I only have 200 subscribers. Any tips on how to make my channel explode this summer? I think you need to talk about, for me, I like to stick with what you're best at, upload regularly, you know, stay topical too. Like, let's say, you know, Solo a Star Wars story just came out, right? Maybe you just make a Star Wars related video. Like, people will be searching for Star Wars related stuff. NBA Finals, maybe play NBA 2K or something live for people, because that's what they're into. That's what they're when they go on YouTube, they're searching for something specific. Stay topical to what people are talking about. Like that's what I think about when I make videos. Like, oh, there's a new trailer for this. Maybe people will look for this one. You know, one of my videos. Vader, what's your best Battlefield game and best Call of Duty game? My favorite Battlefield game is Bad Company 2. I like the characters, like the story, like the graphics in that one. My cousin played the multiplayer like crazy. Best Call of Duty game. Personally, I like Black Ops 2 just because of their zombies. Yeah, like I downloaded like almost every single DLC. I rarely do that for any Call of Duty game. When it comes to multiplayer, but on single player campaign, Call of Duty 2, people already know that, you know, that's my favorite campaign of all of the Call of Duty games, was Call of Duty 2. When I had my Xbox 360, I was like, if you don't play Call of Duty 2, I'm not adding you on Xbox. I used to be like that. These days, I just add, you know, if you're able to play with me, I'll add you, but way back when I was like, you gotta play Call of Duty 2, that's my favorite game, I want you to experience too, right? But when it comes to multiplayer and zombies, Black Ops 2 for me. Where are we on time? I guess that's it for the... What else do you want me to talk about? I think that's a pretty decent vlog. I can finish the rest of this if you want. So yeah, if you're eating these frozen macaroni and cheese dinners, and you're like, man, there's no flavor in it, I just add pepper to it, man. I like it. It's creamy, you know, macaroni and cheese, 80 cents. I can't really complain much about 80-cent food. If I go to a fast food restaurant, order a burger, and it costs me like $8, I'll be a little more critical about it. But when you order these frozen dinners for like 80 cents from Walmart, if it doesn't taste good, whatever. Thank you for watching, everyone. Rate, comment, favorite, and subscribe. Be sure to ask me some good questions for next week's vlog. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.